Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise through e-learning and also creating automation through funnels and things that help you to get your hands off the keyboard so that you can do what you enjoy. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I have an amazing free workshop for you. It's called How to Create Absolutely Beautiful Graphic Designs for Your Online Course Without Having to hire an expensive graphic designer or spend countless hours doing it. So I want to walk you through exactly how you can create designs in minutes, whether it's worksheets, webinar slides, or things along those lines that you might need for your online course or coaching business. I want you to be able to quickly be able to make those so that you're not spending all day doing it. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of our upcoming videos. So maybe you have been looking to create a logo for your online course. It's different than your actual brand. It's a specific logo for your online course. I want to walk you through how you can actually be able to do that in Canva in a few minutes. Just in a few minutes. You can quickly be able to design what you need, create your online course graphic, and get back to business. Let's go ahead and jump behind the scenes so that you can build that logo in minutes. So you might be looking to create your logo for your online course. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to get started with identifying what logo to work with. So I'm going to show you just some logos from our Course Creator Pro collection. This is our Canva template where you can access thousands and thousands of templates designed specifically for online course creators and coaches. So let's go ahead and just hop over to our actual logos. So they are going to fall under our digital program logos. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go ahead and hit download template. Now I'm going to hit use template and I'm going to see some of the different options that I have within my own collection. Now, please note one thing that you'll want to keep in mind. This is the first step before anything, is identifying which logo you're going to move forward with. The second step though is to keep your name short for your overall course name. You don't want it too long because it's going to make it a crazy looking logo. So try to keep it as short as possible. If you can, keep it to anywhere from 3 to 4 words max, so that then it's not overcrowded when you are looking at your overall templates or your actual logos. Okay, so here are just some options that I have from my own collection. But if I wanted to utilize Canva's collection, I could just go to create a design and I can go type in logo. When I go to logo, here are some options that Canva provides. So you'll see some different templates here that you can work with. Let's say you're going to move forward with this. Let's go ahead and move that. So maybe this is going to be your course logo. Maybe your course logo is called Membership Creative, not Mary Creative. So whatever the case is, you're going to change that up to where you change the text to your preferred text and change the letters to your brand. There's several options to choose from. So I want you to first identify what style you like. And then the second thing is going to be creating a short course title. It does not need to be more than 4 words max. And then once you have done that, once you've identified all of this and you're good to go, then what you're going to do is start to edit this. So we're going to edit the text. You're just going to type over this, change text. So change text. Now this has a effect to it to where it's creating this kind of like shape. So what I'm going to do, it kind of creates like a half circle. So what I'm going to do is go to where it says effects. If for any reason I did not want curvature to it, I can uncurve this, or I can play around with the curvature level if I wanted to make it not as curvy. Here, if I wanted to change this line, I can change it to my brand colors. Again, let's make this more of our own so we can make it look like ours. So I'm going to change this text to one of our colors. I'm going to change this text. Instead of it saying Amanda, I'm going to change it to course. Okay, so now I have my logo. I like it, it's good to go. What I'm going to do, this is our last step, we're going to download the logo. Now, it's important for you to know if you download a logo and want it to have a clear background, meaning that it's not a background associated, what you're going to need to do is go to download, and we're going to go to where it says transparent background. We're going to select which item we are going to be downloading, and let's make sure there's no background associated with this. So I deleted the background. I just hovered over the overall area and deleted the background. So now when I download, I'm going to hit transparent background. I can compress the file if I wanted to. I would download as a PNG. And then once you download this, now you can be able to utilize this in your sales page or your landing page or even your emails and things like that without it having a background. And you can now have this really cool logo for your course. So check it out. I love creating logos for courses. I think it's one of those things where it helps to create the course's identity too. And so check out what Canva has. They have tons of options. Also in our Course Creator Pro Club, you can see some of the options that we have. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure that you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Also, make sure you leave a comment letting me know how you utilize Canva in your business. And also don't forget to check out our free workshop, how to create beautiful graphic designs for your online course business without having to spend a fortune or countless hours trying to come up with your design. You can find that below. Okay, I'll see you next time.